Hi everyone, my name is Sanjeev. In this video, I will demo how to use ActiveMQ in Mule application. Let's start the demo. First, we need to install the ActiveMQ. I have already installed the ActiveMQ, but let me show you how to download and install the ActiveMQ. So we need to go to the ActiveMQ web page. From here, we have to click ActiveMQ 5 past releases, and then we need to select 5.16.7 because this version or older version supports the Java 8. So we need to install the higher version that supports Java 8. This is the highest version that supports Java 8. So you can click here and download the ActiveMQ zip file. I have already downloaded and extracted in this folder right here. Now from bin directory, we can start the ActiveMQ. ActiveMQ start. This command will start the ActiveMQ. So for connection, ActiveMQ would be listening on 61616 on TCP port, and it is listening on another protocol as well, but we will use TCP protocol. So we'll use the port 61616. For admin console, this is the URL. We'll copy this URL and we'll go to the browser. Here we will give the username password. Default is admin. From here we can click manage ActiveMQ broker. Here we can manage the destinations, queue, topics. We can view subscribers, connections. We can send message also. So let me create a queue that we will use. So let me create a queue name mule app queue. Create. We will use this queue to send the message from Mule application. Now I will go to the Anypoint Studio. Here I already have application ActiveMQ demo. In this Mule application, I will add the JMS connector. We are going to use JMS connector to talk to ActiveMQ. So click search in Exchange. I will search JMS connector here. Add. JMS connector got added to the Mule application. I will use publish method to my first flow. This flow have HTTP listener and we have path / publish and it have default configuration. In the logger, we are just saying new message will be published and message is that message that will be sent to this endpoint / publish. Here we need to create a connector configuration. So ActiveMQ connection because we are going to use ActiveMQ, so the default is fine. Here we will configure the ActiveMQ client. Click configure, add Maven dependency. Here we will give the same version that we downloaded. So we downloaded version 5.16.7. I will copy here 5.16.7 and we are adding this dependency to our POM file. It's downloading the dependency. So we have ActiveMQ client. We have added the dependency, client dependency to our POM file. Specification default is fine. Connection username is admin. We will also configure the factory configuration, add it in line. Here we will use the TCP protocol, this one. And I will change the host name to localhost. Everything else is default. Test connection. So we are able to connect to the ActiveMQ. Click OK. Now I will provide the destination where we are going to publish the message. So we have created this queue. You'll use this queue. You'll send the message to this queue. Destination type default queue is fine. Everything else is default. So we are going to publish the message here. Let's run the application. Application has been started. Let me clear the console. Now I'm going to post the message to publish endpoint from Postman. So I'm going to send a message to this endpoint, and this is the message. Click send. Message published. So message has been published. New message will be published. Message is, so we got the message. Let's go to the admin console. Okay, we got the message. One message got enqueued. So we have message. We can see that message. This is the message. So we send this payload. So this is the message, we got it here. Now I will consume this message from Mule application. So I will add on new message component. This is an event source. So I will drop it here. Configuration, I will use same configuration that we created because we are going to connect to the same JMS, same ActiveMQ. For destination, we will give the same queue name. This is the queue name. This is where we publish the message we created some time back. So I'm going to consume the message from this destination, this queue. Type is queue consumer. Everything else is default. Let me stop the application. I will run the application. So right now we have one message in the queue. As soon as our application start, our Mule application will pick this message. Okay, message Mule application started and it picked the message. New message received from the queue and message is this. This is coming from this logger. New message received from queue and message is, that's what we are logging. Let's go to the admin console. Let me refresh it. So message include one, message dequeued one. So we consumed the message. Now I will change the initial state of this flow to stopped. And now I will show you consume method. So I have flow ActiveMQ consume demo flow. I will use same configuration. Queue name, I will use same MuleSoft. Everything else is default. I will stop the application and run it. Application is started. Let me clear the console. I will publish a message. Message published. Message published. Now I'm going to consume the message. You can see the admin console also. Click refresh. So we have two messages in queued, only one is consumed, dequeued. I will call the consume endpoint. So we got the message. Let's replace it. So two message has been dequeued. And here we can see that new message consumed from the queue messages. So this flow consumed the new message by calling consume endpoint. Now I will create two subscriber. I will delete this flow. Stop the application. Now I will create two consumer. Let's call this flow 1, on message demo flow 1, on message demo flow 2, and I will change the log. I will add consumer 1, new message arrived from queue and message is, and here I will add consumer 2. So we have two consumer listening to the same queue. Let me change the initial state to started. Default is started in both the flow. Now I'll run the application. Now both these on new message component listening to the same queue, only one component will get the message, not both. Because this is definition of queue, only one consumer get the message, not both. So application started. Let me publish a message. Message published. So this is a message published, and here consumer 1 got the message, and this is the message. So only one consumer got the message, not both. We can clear the console and we can send some more messages. We can publish more messages. Message published. So message published. This time consumer 2 got the message, but only one consumer got the message, not both. Let me clear the console. Let me send one more time. Message published, and this time consumer 2 got it. Let me clear it. Message published. This time consumer 1 got the message. So only one consumer is getting message in case of queue. If we want to send the message to the all the consumer, we need to use the topic. So I will change the destination from queue to topic. Let me stop the application first and I will go to the admin console. I will create a topic here. I will use mule app topic created. So we have topic now. Now we will publish the message to this topic and we will subscribe to that topic. So let me copy the name of this topic. So I will change everywhere destination to topic. I will publish to the topic. Destination type topic. In consumer 1, destination is topic. Consumer type topic consumer. Destination change from queue to topic. Consumer type topic consumer. So let's run the application. So we are now publishing to the topic and subscribing to the topic. Okay, we got some issue. So listener flow could not be reconnected. Destination topic only shared topic consumes, otherwise use one. Okay, so because we are having this configuration and we are using JMS 1.1, it is a limitation of JMS 1.1 specification. We cannot have more than one consumer. So what we will do, we will change the consumer number of consumer to 1 and I will do same here. Number of consumer to 1. So because we are using JMS 1.1, we cannot use more than one consumer. Let's save the application and stop it first and then run application. So this time our application is working, deployed perfectly fine. Let me clear the console. Now I'm going to call the publish endpoint and I'm going to send the message to the topic here and we have two consumer. This time both consumer should receive the message. Send. So new message will be published and message is, so we publish this message. Consumer 2 got the message. New message received from queue. We didn't change this text. It should be from topic. But consumer 2 got the message. And this is the message. And consumer 1 also got the message. Consumer 1, new message received and message is. So both consumer got the message. Let me clear the console, send one more time. Message published. So message, new message published and message is this. Consumer 1 got the new message, and this is the message, and consumer 2 also got the message. So both consumer got the message. So in case of Q, only one subscriber will get the message, only one consumer will get the message in case of Q. But in case of topic, all the consumer, all the subscriber will get the message. Publish flow and subscriber flow are totally independent. So we are asynchronously processing the message, and even we can have instead of logger, we can have a service. We can invoke a service that can process the message. So here this flow will be used to fetch the data and send the message. So this is a source of message, producer of the message, and here consumer of the message can process the message independently. Message communication happening asynchronous manner. So message communication between publish flow and the subscriber flow are totally independent in asynchronous manner. Here we are implementing asynchronous design patterns, and in case of topic, message can be sent by multiple publishers and message can be consumed by multiple subscriber. So it's a publish subscriber design we are implementing. So public subscriber design can be implemented in Mule application with the help of ActiveMQ. This is all in this video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.